In the heart of the sunny savannah, where tall grasses swayed gently in the breeze, lived a young elephant named Teddy. Teddy was not just any elephant. He had a heart as big as the vast African sky. He lived happily with his loving family, Papa Tusker, Mama Ellie, and his little sister, Lulu. Teddy adored Lulu with all his might. From the moment she was born, he took it upon himself to protect her and make her smile. Whether it was playing hide and seek among the acacia trees or sharing the sweetest mangoes they found by the river, Teddy was always by Lulu's side. One sunny morning, as they were exploring near a watering hole, they heard a soft whimper coming from behind a large baobab tree. They hurried over and found a lost lion cub, with tears streaming down its face. Teddy's protective instincts kicked in immediately.
Are you lost?
Teddy asked kindly. The lion cub nodded, too scared to speak.
Don't worry. I'll help you find your family.
Together with Lulu, Teddy led the lion cub through the savannah, across rivers, and under the shade of mighty baobab trees. Along the way, they encountered playful monkeys swinging from vines and colorful birds singing melodies. As they approached a rocky outcrop, they heard a distant roar, a roar that made the lion cub's ears perk up. He dashed ahead, and there, waiting anxiously, were his lioness mother and father.
"Thank you, Teddy,"
exclaimed the lioness, nuzzling her cub with relief.
"You saved our little one."
Teddy smiled warmly, feeling proud that he could help reunite the lion cub with his family. Lulu beamed beside him, happy to see their new friend safe and sound. On their way back home, Lulu looked up at Teddy with admiration.
"You're the best big brother ever, Teddy. You're always helping others."
Teddy chuckled softly and wrapped his trunk around Lulu.
It's because I love you, Lulu. Just like Papa and Mama taught me to always look out for family and friends.
And so, Teddy continued to protect and care for Lulu, showing her and everyone in the savannah that love and kindness could make the world a better place.
"I love you, Teddy."
I love you too, Lulu.
"No, Teddy, I think you hate me compared to the way I love you."
They both laughed and went home. Moral of the story: showing kindness and helping others, especially those in need, can bring joy and strengthen bonds of friendship and family.